What's the current status of the jumbo market right now? Well, here's what I know. First of all, what is a jumbo loan? A jumbo loan is a loan that is too big to be sold to a government agency called Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. If we're looking at the San Francisco Bay Area, that's generally a loan amount in 2020. It does change every year. So in 2020, of a loan amount of $765,600. That will vary by county. So Sacramento would be less, Fresno would be less, so the markets will change. Now in 2007, 2008, 2009, in that market crash, jumbo all but disappeared, and Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac came out with something called high balance to help us through that. Now in the last 10 years or so, jumbo has really kind of strengthened up, more products came. So say pre-COVID, say February of 2020, jumbo rates were great. Often they could be lower than even a conventional mortgage for a really well-qualified client. Now, the COVID shift happened, is what I'm calling it. So what we've seen now is that the conventional mortgages, we've seen their rates drop below 3%, but jumbo, the average yesterday in America was about 3.77-ish. That's where it's been. You see variance based upon somebody's credit score, down payment, that it could be higher or lower, but that was the average. And so what we saw was during COVID, investors piled into safe havens, which are things like government bonds, Fannie Mae loans, Freddie Mac loans, FHA loans, and it pushed the jumbo financing out of favor. So we've seen the difference between a conventional loan and a jumbo loan, that spread really widened. It's almost about 1% off. So you could see a conventional loan, say at 2.8 and a jumbo loan at 3.7. So that's a pretty big difference. The other things is you've seen a lot of the jumbo products and investors tighten up. So that means down payment's gone up, FICO requirements has gone up, reserve requirements have gone up. The process to get the loan has definitely expanded a bit, so it takes longer to go through the process. What we've seen is in some markets, if we look at, say, San Francisco, that's jumbo heavy because of their price point, their inventory has really gone up. So you have a higher inventory with harder to get money, so it's not going in the right direction. What we're seeing at Summit Funding right now is we've got 3 really strong jumbo investors with a multiple of products under each investor, and we're happily doing them. But you will notice from lender to lender quite a big difference in shift. So if you have a client or you are a client looking for a jumbo loan, you may have to call around to make sure you're finding a lender with the right product. If you have any questions about jumbo or anything else, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much.